Have you learned things over the lynx research that can be applied to cancer investigation?
Diseases?
I think that we have learned in this particular case, I'm pretty positive. We have learned things about regions of the genome, how they evolve, how important they are, and what are the tools that we need to analyze them. That was new to us, and it was new to everybody, I would say, that's new discoveries, that we didn't think about that until we faced the problem of analyzing the lynx genomes. Now we face them in the lynx genome. I think we made some very nice discoveries. We prepared new tools and methods in something that was unexpected. We were not expecting to do that, but given that this was the scientific problem, we had to develop these things to solve the problems in the case of the lynx genome. And now I see big possibilities of applying this to the cancer genomes. We have plenty of information about cancer genomes. There is a big ongoing project analyzing thousands of cancer genomes. And one of the things that we are doing is now translating these methods, tools, ideas that we developed for the lynx project to the analysis of cancer genomes. So I think that we learn things. We were pushed to learn things about the evolution of genomes, thanks to the lynx project that maybe have a good application now to the cancer genomes. And now this was, I think, it's a good learning lesson about how science is interconnected, how basic knowledge, the lynx genome can be considered basic knowledge. What we are doing about the genomes is part of basic science, has consequences for the protection of the lynx and the more applied aspect of the lynx project. At the same time, may have a translation to other completely different areas, that is cancer, in which there are similar problems, and these similarities you can only discover them when you work in these problems. So sometimes I take this as a good example of how much of a nonsense is to put barriers and try to push only for very applied things, because if we only think in applied things, we will lose all this interconnectivity between areas of science.